Now student, let us see the first topic, that is energy transfer in an electric circuit. Here we are taking some material, that is connecting wires, electric cell, electrical resistance, voltmeter, ammeter and plug key. Now procedure. Connect the circuit as shown in the accompanying figure 4.2 after taking the component with the proper values. Measure the current I. Also measure the potential difference, that is VAB, between the two ends, that is A and B, of the resistance. The potential at A is higher than the potential at B, as the point A is connected to the positive electrode of the cell and the point B is to the negative electrode of the cell. I is the current, then potential difference is VAB between the 2 points, that is A and B. A is at a higher potential and B is at a lower potential. Why? Because A is at positive electrode and B is at negative electrode. Now let us see the figure. I is the conductor, then V is the potential difference. A and B are the 2 points. A is at the higher potential, B is at the lower potential. A is at the higher potential because it is having a positive electrode, B is having a negative electrode. If a charge Q flows from A to B, now charge Q is flowing from A to B, what will happen? The work VAB and Q has been done on Q while going from A to B. म्हणजेच वर्क VAB म्हणजेच काय, पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स has been done on Q. Q means चार्ज वरती पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स क्रिएट झाला आहे while going from A to B. From where does the energy come to this work? Energy we get from where? The source of energy is taken from the cell. This is the cell where we get the energy. Okay. The cell gives this energy through the charge Q to the resistance where the work VABQ is performed. If the charge Q flows from A to B in time t, जर चार्ज Q A to B टाइम टी मध्ये जर फ्लो होत असेल तर काय होणार? द वर्क इज परफॉर्म इन टाइम टी. देन ड्युरिंग द टाइम द एनर्जी VABQ is given to the resistor. What happens to this energy? This energy is received by the resistor and is converted into the heat energy. The temperature of the resistor is increased. ही जी एनर्जी आहे जी रजिस्टरला मिळालेली आहे, रिसिव्ड झालेली आहे, ती कन्वर्ट होते हीट एनर्जीमध्ये आणि रजिस्टरचं जे टेम्परेचर आहे ते काय होतं, राईज होतं. इफ इन द सर्किट द रजिस्टर इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय अ मोटर, जर हा रजिस्टर मोटरनी रिप्लेस झाला तर काय होऊ शकतं? इन विच फॉर्म विल द एनर्जी गिवन बाय द सेल गेट ट्रान्सफर इनटू, तर ते आपण आता पुढे बघूया. P is electrical power. Its formula is energy upon time required. VABQ upon T. So energy is potential difference into what was our Q? Q was the charge upon time. After that, let us see VABI. Why I? Because Q upon T itself is I. See, Q upon T is itself the I. So we have substituted Q upon T's value I in this equation. So VAB become VAB into I. Now the source of energy the cell gives in the time t, the energy P into T to the resistor. If I is the current flowing continuously through the circuit, the heat produced in the resistor in time t will be heat is equal to electric power into time is equal to potential difference into conductor into time. So according to the Ohm's law, VAB is equal to conductor into R, that is resistance. So H is equal to V square AB into T upon R. So VAB is equal to I into R is the third equation, and H is equal to V square AB into T upon R is the fourth equation. So similarly, H is equal to I into R into T. So it is I square, I into I square into R into T, that is RT. This is our fifth equation. So H is equal to I square into R into T is called as a Joule's law of heating. The unit of a electrical power, that is P is equal to VAB into I, that is volt into ampere, that is our sixth equation. So 1 volt is equal to 1 volt into 1 ampere is equal to volt. Again this is the unit, that is joule, 1 joule per coulomb, 1 coulomb, and ampere is 1 coulomb per second. So here what will happen, 1 coulomb will get cancelled. So 1 joule upon 1 second, so 1 joule upon 1 second is equal to 1 weight. So that is W. This is our eighth equation. So thus the unit of electrical power is 1 weight. So I think you must have understood this very easily.